If you've been prescribed Dulaglutide, best known as Trulicity, or you're thinking about starting it, this video will explain everything you need to know before you begin. We'll cover how Trulicity works, how to take it, and the most common side effects you should be aware of. I'll also answer some of the questions I hear most often in clinic, including what are the warnings with taking Trulicity, can I drink alcohol while taking it, and what should I do if I miss a dose? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Trulicity works and how to take it safely and confidently. So let's get started with what exactly is Trulicity and how does it work? Trulicity is one of the medicines that are prescribed for people with type 2 diabetes. It very closely resembles a natural hormone in your body called GLP-1. You might have heard of different types of GLP-1s such as Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, Victoza, to name but a few. It works in three ways. Firstly, it increases the amount of insulin produced by your body, which then reduces the level of sugar in your blood. Secondly, it also reduces the amount of a substance called glucagon being produced by your pancreas. Glucagon usually causes your liver to produce more sugar. Reducing the amount of glucagon in your body also helps to reduce the levels of sugar in your blood. And thirdly, Trulicity also works on your stomach so that food passes more slowly through it. This means that the sugar from your meals takes longer to get into your bloodstream. So how and when do you take it? Trulicity is given as an injection just under the surface of the skin. There are 4 different strengths of injection. It's usual to start treatment with a lower dose, which may be increased later if necessary. It's administered using an injection device called a pre-filled pen and provides a single dose and is for a single use only. Trulicity is given as a once-weekly injection on the same day of each week and can be used in addition to other anti-diabetic medicines. The injection can be given at any time of the day and it can be given either before or after a meal. Your healthcare provider will show you how to inject yourself. It should be injected into the skin on your upper arms, thigh or tummy. Try to choose a slightly different injection site for each of your injections, as this will help to prevent skin problems and difficulties in injecting. Is there anyone who should not take it? Before you start using Trulicity, it's important that your provider knows if you have a problem with your stomach or digestive system, if you have ever had an inflamed pancreas called pancreatitis, if you have any problems with the way your kidneys work, if you have type 1 diabetes or are being treated for diabetic ketoacidosis, if you are taking any other medicines, and this includes any medicines you are taking which are available to buy without a prescription, as well as herbal and complementary medicines, if you are pregnant, trying for a baby or breastfeeding, or if you've ever had an allergic reaction to a medicine. So what are the common side effects? Low blood sugar called hypoglycemia, and this includes symptoms such as feeling shaky or anxious, sweating, looking pale, feeling hungry, or having a feeling that your heart is pounding and feeling dizzy. If you get nausea or vomiting, if you get diarrhea, or if there's stomach pain, or if there's indigestion, constipation, if you're feeling less hungry, if you're feeling tired, or if there's an increased heart rate. So what are the severe side effects? In rare cases, Trulicity can cause inflammation of the pancreas, which is very rare, but this can be severe or life-threatening. So please seek urgent medical attention straight away if you develop severe, persistent pain in your upper stomach area, especially if it spreads to your back. The pain may be accompanied by nausea or vomiting. Can you drink alcohol while taking Trulicity? You shouldn't drink alcohol as it can affect the control of your blood sugar. If you need further advice on this, you should speak to your provider. And why is it important to stay hydrated while using Trulicity? It can cause dehydration, so it's important to keep hydrated during treatment by drinking plenty of water or non-sugary soft drinks. Now, I would like to ask if you'd be interested in joining my 12-week coaching program, the Diabetes Remission Academy. The program includes one-to-one personalized support with a plan tailored specifically to you, your lifestyle and your health goals. If you'd like to find out more, whether it's right for you or simply want to learn more about the program, you can book a free discovery call using the link below. So here are some other frequently asked questions that include: so what should you do if you notice that you're unusually thirsty or urinating more often? If you experience unusual thirst, pass urine more frequently than normal, or feel very tired, you should inform your provider. These symptoms can be signs that your blood sugar levels are too high and your treatment might need adjusting. Can Trulicity be used for type 1 diabetes? No, it is specifically prescribed for people with type 2 diabetes. It's not suitable for individuals with type 1 diabetes. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like button and please make a comment in the comment section to tell me what you enjoyed about this video or what topics you'd like to learn more about. You can also check out my other videos on Mounjaro or Ozempic. I'll leave a link below. See you in the next video.